Yes, this is your man Nee Tete, aka Boom Boom. We still at the park. We still at the park. We at the park. Um, Nee Tete this, Kiyomo, freestyle, Jambe, Oshirunde, Zay, Taiko to Deyarima Show. Take your drum and let's do. Today too, we still on it. And this is how the rhythm goes, okay? This is how the rhythms go. Kyo no rhythm, akona kanji this. We go. So this is how it goes, and if you can listen to it carefully, you will know that it goes tikete tikete piti piti tikala tikala piti piti tikede tikede piti piti tikala tikala piti piti. So minasano yukudi kikuedu to bass tone slap mute zembu detedu konkaine then tikede tikede piti piti tikala tikala ne slap to be zembu detedu moi kai kita kudasai sustada so that you could oshieru. Let's listen to it once again and I will teach it slowly for you to get it. Okay. Yes. So let's go it slowly. Let's get it slowly because I want you to get everything. So when you practice, you don't go mistake. And when you go mistake, then you're going to be confused like, oh. No, we just take it simply. Let's go. Yukuri Benkyo Shimasho. Yukuri Benkyo Shimasho. There are some people watching me from the other side. Yukuri Benkyo Shimasho. Saisho wa bass to tone. Ne? Kode wa bass to tone. This is bass and tone. Tikete, tikete, bass to tone. Tikede, tikede, de mute. Ikune. Tikede, tikede. Kode mute. Ne? Kode wa mute. This is mute. So we go tikede, tikede, piti, piti, bass, tone, mute. Ne? Tikede, de. Tigi, which is next. Next, we're going to play the slap one. So the next is ne. So we have two patterns that we join. Tikede, tikede, piti, piti, tikala, tikala, piti, piti. Ne. Kikuedu to ni pattern o ate de joint suru. Saisho wa bass to tone. De mute. De side de tugiwa bass slap to mute. So you could ikimasho. Let's now learn it slowly. So we're going to bass. Tikete, tikete, piti, piti. Ne. One more. Tikete, tikete, piti, piti. The next is So let's go again. Then so we join them. Zembu yaduto. Yeah, this is how it goes. So now it's your turn to take your drums and practice. Just practice and practice and get used to it and enjoy the reading by yourself. Yeah. Konna kanji this rhythm ne Tsugiwa minasano bande taiko tote ne denshiu shite kudasai. So shitara jozu nate tsukate kudasai. Mata tsugi de moshi hajimete no kata dattara toroku shiteいいねしてコメントもしてください。そしたら次々のビデオはすぐ見れるように行きましょう。If this is your first time, subscribe and like and share your comment. So the next video you'll be able to see. Peace.